Welcome guys to another video. In this video I'll be showing you guys some free traffic source which you guys can use in promoting your CPA offers, if it's Maxbounty or CPA grip. Any of it is actually working, and if you're using any other CPA marketing site like CPA lead and the rest, OG ads to actually work for it. So just stay with me till the end of this video where I will show you the traffic source and how you can use it. But before I do that, kindly come to my channel and hit the subscribe button, hit this red subscribe button, turn on the notification bell and give this video a thumbs up. I really appreciate if you do that. Without wasting much of your time, let me jump into the main topic of today. So the first traffic source I'm talking about is twitter.com. I know Twitter is a social media website where things goes on very well. You see people tweet, you can reply, you can even like message people who are not following you and who you are not following. So how we use the Twitter is you select the type of offer you want to promote on either Max Bounty or CPA Grip, or if you are using content locker on CPA Grip, that will even be okay. Because in my last video I did a video on how you can create a URL locker for weight loss ebook. So this Twitter will be good for all those giveaway and all those weight loss ebook. So what you have to do first is come over to the search bar here. If it's weight loss offer you are promoting, you can just start on, like, you search on what people will actually search on here, like I want to lose weight. And just search for it, and let me see latest. I think latest will be okay. I can see this one, right? I want to be the skinniest as soon as possible, but when I actually lose weight quickly I get too worried. Just try to look for some question, like people are posing question that how can I lose weight. See, me personally, I want to, you can just reply some 17 minutes ago. So once you have grab your link, you can come over here, comment. Oh, sorry, i'm not I'm not signed in. So you can just comment and write something like hello there. You have to give value before drop your link, because if you just drop your link there, no one will click on it. You can just try to give her like, oh, I've also in your shoes before, I've tried different way in losing weight, or those weight loss trainers. They usually just teach you, but it doesn't work well. But weeks ago I found out this ebook online and I gone through it, and it actually helped me lose some weight. So I want you to try it out. This is the link below. All this kind of thing, it's not much you use what I'm saying, just be creative, actually work. And if you know it, you can check more and more, many more. And if it's email and zip submit offers you are promoting, you can use the word like giveaway, or if it's Amazon gift card, can I write Amazon gift card giveaway. Anyone search it and reply to tweet. Can do this daily. It actually convert if you do it the right way. You at first give value before drop your link. If you just drop your link without giving value, you won't get any click, and without click you can't get leads. So the second one I want you guys to use is Instagram. You can see just my normal Instagram account, the fresh account. So you can just follow me. The link is in the description of this video. Follow me. Okay. So Instagram, now what you can do is like you create an Instagram account based on the niche you are promoting. If it is weight loss, create a weight loss Instagram account. You can like something like, you can just put the name instead of using your name, just put like weight loss, edit the profile about weight loss. Then the pictures here, you can be dropping like all those weight loss tips or images. Then what you have to do is you come over and search for some weight loss groups, those big weight loss group. Okay, let me see this, all those weight loss groups that have over thousands of followers. So you go to one of their recent posts, and follow like 50, like okay 50 every hour. Okay, let me not make it less. Follow like 20 every hour, because Instagram now fresh accounts usually monitor on them a lot. So follow like 20 on every hour. When you follow 20, some will follow you back. So you keep doing that to grow your account. But make sure that those people like reacting to this post. People are reacting to them, they're interested in the content. So as you are following them, some will follow you back, and you keep posting content on your Instagram account. So from there you'll be getting some likes, some comment on your own post. With that, you get some traffic, because those people are actually traffic, they are targeted traffic because they're interested in weight loss. So through there you can add some of your link. As you can see, started one of our link here in our profile. So you can just add your link there and direct them to click on it. So when they click on it, to turn to leads, to convert to leads. And if not this way, you can post, and some people comment, you can private message them, like just tap message them and just chat them up, give them value, then drop your link. And the last one is actually Facebook, which is the best of all, because Facebook, there are a lot of group weight loss, but this one is simple, but many people are on it. So you just have to be creative. You have to go to search for weight loss, search for weight loss, then go over to the group. Okay, like groups, that's the best. Go back to groups. This one is a group now, 1.4 million members. So all this kind of thing you can post and give value first, like post, like give some tips, drop some tips on how to lose weight, like 5 tips. Then below the post you can write my best recommendation how to lose weight. You can drop it there. Or if it's not even weight loss you're promoting, any niche, this work totally with any niche, just have to give value first before dropping it, so people will know that this is real and actually working. And secondly, you can go over to create your own group, and when you post on your group you can share it to other groups. That one is fine, at least you're building your own community. So when you have large members, you'll be getting steady leads every day. As you can see, 1.4 million members, that's so much. And the last one I want to show you guys is all those forums. You can search for weight loss forums, and there are many. Why I'm using weight loss in most of the video, because weight loss is one of the top niche. That's why it's converting well. Okay, you can use this in the giveaway niche, in the investment niche, in the job niche. Anyone is actually working, but I love using weight loss. Join all the weight loss forum, register, and you can post there. Very simple, very simple. We join like as much as possible, but don't join too much. And note, each forums have their own terms and conditions, so don't spam your link. Some accept affiliate link and some don't have. So if you don't know how to build a landing page, like a simple landing page for your affiliate link, I'll be doing a video on that next. So just stay tuned to the next video. Hit the subscribe button, turn the notification bell so you get notified when I upload a future video, so you won't miss out on that. So that will be all for now. I hope you guys gain something from this video, and I hope you guys will take action immediately. Kindly hit that like button if you actually gained something today. I really appreciate if you do that. Thank you so much.